Okay guys, time for some platinum printing. I'm going to print, let's see here. This is an 8 by 10 inch digital negative of a shot I just took up at Emerald Bay. As you may know, the platinum printing process is a contact print. So I'm going to go ahead and mix up my platinum palladium Na2 solution that I use with digital negatives. I'm going to coat my Hahnemühle platinum rag paper with that, dry it, put the negative onto and in contact with the paper, put it into my print frame, put it into my ultraviolet light box that I built myself to expose the print, and then I'm going to develop it in potassium oxalate developer. Give it a clearing bath to remove all active chemistry, and then put it in an archival wash. I'm not going to go through the long process of that with you. What I'm going to do is film the whole thing, and then I'll just clip through little bits here and there, and I hope it turns out to be interesting and informative. I really appreciate your following along. I'll see you at the end of the video.